Hello and welcome to Herman's RV Holidays. I'm Ads, and in today's 3-Minute Thursday I'm going to be talking to you about our new online store. So that's right, yes, we've opened ourselves a new online store hosted by redbubble.com. We only have a few designs at the moment, but there are more to come. I'm planning on creating one once a week. And they're all created by myself. But you might be asking what we have in the store. So what do we have? We have men and women's t-shirts, we have hoodies, jumpers, and many other items of clothing with various sizes and colours that you can choose from. We also have things like mugs, stickers, different types of wall-mounted pictures, clocks even, and bags, and much more. So how do you get to the store, you might be asking? Well, parking's free, for one thing. No, I put a link in the description below. You can click on this card in the video just up here. There's also on our YouTube page there is an online store button, or on our Facebook page you can click the store button. So once you're on the home page, you can scroll down to the middle and there you'll see a small selection of what is available. These are actually samples of the designs that I've uploaded. Clicking on the department on the left hand side that you're interested in, such as men's or women's for instance, will show you even more of a selection of what is available, and then you can navigate through there and make your selection and your order via Redbubble, of course, and they'll ship it straight to your address. So my favourite design has got to be the front and back of Herman on a mug. I think it looks quite funny, where you can hold it up and you can see the front and the back of Herman on it. But there are a few other designs that you can take a look at, and of course I'll be uploading new ones, creating and uploading new ones. And if you have any ideas for designs yourself, or maybe something doesn't look right, or you prefer the other way round, or whatever, drop us a comment below. But do check out that store, and of course feel free to just look around like you would do in a shopping mall. Look around and buy something if you like. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye. Yes, that's right, we have a new online store. Plan is that we're going to be, keep your eyes peeled, everything's going to be designed by myself, and I need a shotgun. Do you mind? Go away. I got set up now. I've got a noisy crow right behind me up a tree. I'm looking for something to lob in that direction, but nothing's going to scare it. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.